Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is going to be a gaming session. After a long week, there's nothing better than putting on some comfortable clothes and playing on my Nintendo Switch system. As many of you already know, I've been a huge fan of Mario and all the Mushroom Kingdom characters for as long as I can remember. The Nintendo Switch system is home to all of my favorite games, including Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Super Mario Odyssey, and so much more. To start off today's gaming session, I will start by playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. I occasionally have game nights with my family, and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe is our absolute favorite. It's so much fun to play, and we're all very competitive. I can choose to race as a selection of all of my favorite characters, including Mario, Luigi, Peach, Toad, Daisy, and more. My go-to character is always Baby Peach. She's just so cute. There are 48 courses playable in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and with the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Booster Course Pass, you double your courses with an additional 48 courses to choose from. That's a total of 96 courses you can play. Each course is beautifully designed. I'm currently playing the Baby Park course. I'll definitely be having some Mario Kart 8 Deluxe competitions this summer with friends and family, so tonight I want to freshen up my racing skills. It's time to switch gears. I'm trying out Super Mario Bros. Wonder. I've been eyeing this game ever since it came out, so I'm super excited to dive in. Super Mario Bros. Wonder is a 2D game where Mario and his friends go on a wondrous new adventure in the Flower Kingdom. The Flower Kingdom is filled with wonder flowers, which trigger spectacular moments you have to see to believe. Witness pipes come alive, characters changing their looks, and other amazing wonder effects that transform the gameplay in unpredictable ways. It is so cool. I love this game because, like Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, I can choose to play as so many of my favorite Mushroom Kingdom characters. In fact, this game has the largest cast of characters in a side-scrolling Mario game, including Mario, Luigi, Peach, Daisy, Toads, and more. I needed a little sweet treat to go along with my gaming session, so I decided to make some hot chocolate. I just have some steamed milk here in my mug, and I melted a mix of milk chocolate and dark chocolate, which I'm going to blend together using a milk frother. I'm going to add some whipped cream on top. It tastes absolutely divine, and I'm also going to grab a little snack to enjoy. I'm going to play Super Mario Odyssey now. In this game, Mario travels around various themed kingdoms aboard an airship known as the Odyssey to rescue Princess Peach from Bowser's wedding plans. With the help of his new companion Cappy, who allows him to capture and control objects and enemies, Mario explores expansive open-world levels, collects power moons, and uses unique abilities to overcome challenges and defeat Bowser. Another reason why I love the Nintendo Switch is because of its versatile design. I can play the Nintendo Switch in TV mode like I am right now, or I can pick it up and take it with me on the go. I've always enjoyed playing Nintendo Switch games, not only because they're a blast, but also because the artwork is incredibly inspiring. I've always been very drawn to the vibrant and creative art style shown throughout the games and in the character designs. The games have even inspired some of my crafts in the past. I'm really looking forward to continuing my adventure in Super Mario Bros. Wonder this summer, and of course I cannot wait to play more Mario Kart 8 Deluxe with family and friends. I hope that you guys enjoyed this gaming session with me. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.